My name is Ved Rautani and I am a filmmaker from India. Honestly, for 9 years of my life, I only directed romantic comedies. My film Stolen Future is my first horror film and as a horror short. And so Stolen Future, like I would not like to reveal much about the screenplay, but all I'll say is it's about a girl, her car breaks down, and all the adventures that come across after that, the supernatural forces she comes in touch with, and finally how it culminates. Uh, Behind being a very simple horror film, there is a deep message in the film. So I promise every viewer who are classic horror fans, you like Conjuring, you like The Ring, you like Dead Silence, you will get entertained with this film. There will not be 1 minute where you will be bored. To be honest, feature film is something that I have not directed till now. In India, in Bombay, in the studio system, 4 back-to-back projects of mine fell apart. But I have directed over 200 television commercials. I've directed over 80 short films. I've directed 2 web series also. I was mainly in that romantic comedy genre. Genre films I love doing, like action, thriller, horror. I was a sucker for it, but for some reason I could not. Maybe I did my first show as a romantic comedy and I just got typecasted there. The switch to this genre was always coming. Like I remember for this one platform in Bombay, I was directing 4 shorts, which was commissioned, all romantic comedies. But one was like a 90% thriller turning into a romantic comedy. And it was just a joy shooting it, the thriller aspect of it. So my start actually happened by directing this one short called Adrenaline, which I counted as my rebirth, which was like a gaming thriller. Some festivals counted as horror. And then from there, my journey of genre films really started. If anyone asks me, I say this is my second short film because Adrenaline was my rebirth and Stolen Future is my second one. And this is one of those few films where I felt horror, classic horror, like a fan of it. I didn't feel I'm working, I just felt I'm enjoying making it. First of all, it's an 18-minute film. We shot it in 2 days. One day was exterior, one day was interior. So the exterior day, we shot it at night. The interior day, since the lighting was not visible, we shot that during the day. So the biggest challenge for me was it was raining that time. And we even created artificial rain, but raining to that way where the shoot can get disrupted. But I don't know, I just went with my gut and I said, I think everything will be fine. And luckily our shooting didn't get halted because of the rain. So that was the biggest challenge. But yeah, let's say horror sequences, action sequences, having about 6 or 7 actors in the film, we meticulously planned every bit. So 2 days, 12-hour shift, each day. We didn't exceed time on any of the days. The shooting was quite smooth. We had a very strong post-production deadline, which we had to wrap it up in around 30 days. First of all, in the film, I play a homage to one filmmaker, horror filmmaker I really love from India. So the girl is around a hostel, like an abandoned hostel. So I've named that hostel RGV Hostel. So RGV is the full form of this filmmaker, Indian filmmaker called Ram Gopal Verma, who has made the best horror films in Indian cinema. So my biggest reference was a film made by him, 2 films. One is called Bhoot. In English, it's like you say ghost. And one is Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra is something related to astrology, numerology, on that way. So these 2 films and one more film he made called Raat, which means night. My biggest reference was a lot of my cutting patterns were taken from him and sound design references. And other than that, I have loved The Ring, Conjuring, Dead Silence. Your classic horror films is like I'm a big sufferer. Though I'm not a extremely big fan of Exorcism, but I do like Exorcism of Emily Rose, and I don't like The Shining. A lot of people will hate me for it, but I am not into psychological horror. I mean classic horror. Jump scares, like that's what I'm a big sucker of.